In this episode, we'll introduce the UWIS Viewer app, a mobile interface for using the UWIS system in field conditions. It's an Android application compatible with version 10 and newer. This demonstration setup, as shown in the video, places the UWIS system on dry land. As a result, the diver paths are not realistic, but the application functions normally. The UWIS Viewer app starts from its icon and opens to the map view. When connected to the internet, map tiles update automatically. You're now seeing a street map, but you can switch to satellite view via the map layer selector. Your own location is displayed as a blue dot. The app works without a license, but data exchange with the UWIS system requires either a test license or a paid annual license. Licenses can be ordered and installed via the license section in the settings menu. To request a license, enter at least your email address and the preferred license type. You can generate a QR code with Show Request QR or send it directly with email request. Use your device's email app. The recipient address is automatically set to sales@uwis.fi. You will receive a reply with a QR code, which can be scanned into the app using Scan QR. Licenses are device-specific, so if you change your device, a new license is required. If your camera does not work, you can also paste the license code into the app. At the bottom of the license screen, the Check for Updates command checks for software updates. At the time of this video, the latest version is v1.0.4. If needed, you can hide the map buttons using the bottom corner toggle button. To start receiving UWIS signals, connect the device to the UWIS system Wi-Fi network. This can be done from the menu opened via the lower corner button. You can also temporarily disconnect from the UWIS system if you need to update map tiles. Once connected, UWIS data starts flowing in, and buoys and diver units in the water appear on the map. Each diver is shown with their unit number, alias name, and depth in meters. With the CEN, center command, the app centers the map on the UWIS devices. In this demo, 2 diver units are on the surface. Their path colors differ slightly. If you want to send messages to divers who have an underwater tablet, AllTab, with our navigation app, you must first authenticate using the Sync view. The system password is provided with your UWIS purchase. Without authentication, you can still view system settings. The diver units and predefined messages for this dive appear in a list. Messages are configured in the UWIS tracker software. Messages are sent from the Messages view, where you choose the message and recipient. If you forgot to authenticate, the system will notify you here. Now that I'm authenticated, I can send the message. Sent or incoming messages are shown in the upper part of the map view with a colored background. The color indicates message priority. The highest priority appears first. The message disappears only after you tap the message area. To add a marker on the map, press and hold the desired location. You can adjust coordinates in the pop-up form and must enter an alias name before saving. You can modify or delete a marker by selecting it again on the map. The map also shows a scale bar in the lower left corner. The bottom bar lists active elements, and in the bottom right corner, a blinking blue dot indicates incoming messages. If it's not blinking, the Wi-Fi connection may be lost. Under the Data button, you'll find the Dive Session Data view. At the top is the Session area, where you can view past dives or start a new one. You can export data from active or previous dives using the Export command. Use the GPX format if you want to reload old dive tracks back onto the map later. This is done via import. Clear Session removes the selected dive's data from the device memory. Under Track Actions, the Clear command removes previously imported tracks from the map. The app supports GPX and GeoJSON formats generated by this software. The autosave function stores data automatically during the dive, independent of the user. In the Device Logs section, you can read and export logs from the main buoy. The main buoy must be placed in setup mode. Separate instructions for this are available for UWIS users. To read logs, connect to the buoy's Wi-Fi network and start reading with Start Device Log Read. This may take several minutes, and progress is shown on screen. You can speed up the process by using the filter menu, 3 dots, to narrow the log range. When exporting log data, you can filter by time and diver. Supported formats include a text file compatible with the QGIS plugin and photogrammetry use, and NDJSON, which includes all raw data. NDJSON tool support is under development at the time of this video. At the bottom of the page is the User Markers section. Here you can export, delete, or import custom markers created in the map view. Back in the map view, the layer selector includes both the base map and custom layers. The app supports importing MB tiles and XYZ map tiles. You can adjust the transparency of each layer, rename it, or remove it. Instructions for creating compatible tile files are available for UWIS users. Any georeferenced image can be used as a background for the dive. In this example, the satellite view is a custom tile layer, while the base map is OSM. Additional buttons include DEL to remove diver paths from the view, data is still stored, and pause/continue to pause the data feed, useful if you want to freeze the current state on screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at UWISOY, info@uwis.fi.